Welcome back today. It's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Norway beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification anytime I do my new videos. You will get notified. I'm going to be making Norway beat today. When launching your FSGO, put your cursor, right click and just press open. But for now, I've already launched my FSGO. So I'm just going to click on my FSGO here, then click on add, click on my on citrus, then I will right click. I will left click. I will turn the mouse wheel to channel 5, right click and press piano roll. After doing so, I will left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. Then I will use a plugin today called Gross Beat. I'm just going to click here, then click on slot 1 and add a Gross Beat plugin. So I'm just going to look for the Gross Beat plugin. That's it. That's how it sounds. I'm going to click on slot 2 and add a fruity reverb. I'm going to increase the decay, increase the size. Let's play the beat now. And that's how it sounds. I'm going to click on add and click on these blue bars. I'm going to left click, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6. I will right click and press piano roll. This will be a simple bass melody, a simple bass note that I'll just align from each bar to each bar, from each bar to each bar. That's it. Good. After doing so, the next plugin I'll add here, I'll just click on slot 1 and add the fruity parametric EQ2. On my channel rack on channel 3, I will right click and press piano roll. I will start to program my hi-hat now. I'll just program the first 2 bars, copy right to bars number 8. That's it. That's it. Now let's play the beat. The next step is we are going to program the snare. I will right click and press piano roll. Okay, I've finished programming my snare. I will right click and just drag my kick into channel 1. Where you just click on your kick, make sure you left click and hold it. Just drag it to channel 1. After you drag it to channel 1, you right click and press piano roll. Then I'll start to program my kick now. Inside the bars. Inside the bars. That's it. After doing so, I'll click on my channel 1, click on this icon, turn the boost knob right up. Good. Now it's time to arrange the beat on our playlist. I'm just going to click here on where you have written part 1 here. Make sure you use these tools here: draw, paint, delete, mute, slide, slip, slice, select, zoom and playback, and the play and pause button. Make sure you always use this button. So when I've written part 1, I will right click and click here split by chaining. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FSDO. If I want to like click and click back here, I'll make sure I click on this draw tool. I'll just come and click here and start clicking. Click on my hi-hat now and click back into my playlist. Click on my snare, click back into my playlist. Click on my first melody, click back into my playlist. Click on my bull bars and click back into my playlist. After doing so, I will left click and hold my left click button, highlight it to the left, and you can see press Ctrl and A to like highlight it, and press Ctrl and B on your keyboard several times. That is to make your beat longer and to create space for an intro and outro. I'll remove the kick, I'll remove the hi-hat, I'll remove the snare. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here, left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to make my beat longer. I'm going to create my outro now. I'm going to create my outro like this. I'm extending my outro up to 85. After doing so, I'll remove my hi-hat, I'll remove my snare. Good. Then I'm going to put my cursor on my hi-hat here. I will right click and create automation clip. On my snare, I'll put my cursor here, right click and create automation clip. We are going to mix the beat now. I'm going to click here, add the fruity limiter. I'm going to click here and add a fruity multiband compressor. I'm going to click on slot 4 and add a fruity soft clipper. The next, I'll click here and I'll click on slot 3, add a fruity parametric EQ2. Click on slot 4 and add a fruity soft clipper. This was all for today. I'm still going to be bringing more in details. Let's listen to the Norway trap beat from the start to the end. Let's Thank you so much for watching. See you another time in another video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.